Leo. Hi friends, today is day 52 of our manners journey. Mia. Today we are learning about friendly greetings versus rude gestures. Leo, you see, friends, every time we meet someone, we have a choice. Leo, we can use manner magic to make them smile, or rude rocks to make them sad. Mia. Let's follow Leo and Mia through the town of kindness and see 15 important lessons. Lesson 1. The Morning Wave. Leo sees the neighborhood mailman, Mr. Post. Leo waves a big open hand and shouts, "Good morning, Mr. Post. Thank you for the mail." Mr. Post whistles a happy tune. Rude gesture. A boy nearby sticks his tongue out at Mr. Post. The lesson. A wave says, "I appreciate you, but sticking your tongue out is disrespectful." Lesson 2. The school gate high five. Mia sees her friend Sarah at the school gate. Friendly greeting. Mia runs up and gives Sarah a bright high five. "I'm so glad to see you, Sarah." Rude gesture. Another girl rolls her eyes and looks at her watch when Sarah says hi. The lesson. High fives share energy. Rolling your eyes makes people feel like a bother. Lesson 3. Meeting a teacher. The children enter the classroom and see Mrs. Apple. Friendly greeting. Leo stands up straight, looks Mrs. Apple in the eye, and says, "Good morning, teacher." Rude gesture. A student slumps in their chair, pulls their hoodie over their head, and ignores the teacher. The lesson. Standing straight shows you are ready and respectful. Hiding shows you don't care. Lesson 4. The new student handshake. A new boy named Sam is sitting alone. Friendly greeting. Mia walks over, offers a gentle handshake, and says, "Hi, I'm Mia. Welcome to our school." Rude gesture. A group of kids points at Sam and whispers behind their hands. The lesson. A handshake builds a bridge. Pointing and whispering builds a wall. Lesson 5. The thumbs up of support. It is art class. A friend finishes a beautiful painting. Friendly greeting. Leo gives a big thumbs up and says, "Great job on those colors." Rude gesture. A boy gives a thumbs down and makes a yucky face at the art. The lesson. Use your hands to lift others up, not to tear them down. Lesson 6. The shopkeeper's nod. Leo goes to the bakery to buy bread. Friendly greeting. Leo gives a polite nod and says, "Thank you, Mr. Baker. Have a nice day." Rude gesture. A man grabs his bread and makes a shooing motion with his hand to tell the baker to move faster. The lesson. A nod shows patience. A shoe gesture is very impatient and unkind. Lesson 7. Joining a game. Kids are playing tag in the park. Friendly greeting. Mia walks up, waits for a break, and asks, "Hi, may I join the game, please?" Rude gesture. A boy pushes his way into the middle of the game without saying a word. The lesson. Asking to join shows you respect the group. Pushing is a rude way to start. Lesson 8. Respecting the elders. An elderly woman is sitting on a park bench. Friendly greeting. Leo slows down his walking, smiles, and says, "Hello, ma'am. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Rude gesture. A child runs past her, mimics her slow movements, and laughs. The lesson. Words of kindness to elders bring wisdom. Mocking them is very hurtful. Lesson 9. The gift of a smile. Someone drops their books in the hallway. Friendly greeting, Mia helps pick them up and gives a warm, comforting smile. Rude gesture, a boy stands there, crosses his arms and scowls at the mess. The lesson, a smile can fix a bad moment. A scowl makes a bad moment worse. Lesson 10, the listening pose. The principal is giving a speech. Friendly greeting, Leo keeps his hands at his side and nods occasionally to show he is listening. Rude gesture, a student puts their fingers in their ears and hums to block out the sound. The lesson, quiet listening is the best greeting for a speaker. Lesson 11, sharing the sidewalk. Two people are walking toward each other on a narrow path. Friendly greeting, Mia steps aside, waves the other person through, and says, "After you." Rude gesture, a boy bumps his shoulder into the other person and glares. The lesson, giving space with a wave, shows you are a leader in manners. Lesson 12, the kind heart gesture. A friend is crying because they lost their toy. Friendly greeting, Leo puts his hand over his heart and says, "I'm so sorry. Can I help you find it?" Rude gesture. A boy points his finger and laughs at the friend for crying. The lesson, putting a hand on your heart shows empathy. Pointing shows cruelty. Lesson 13. Entering a room, Mia enters her friend's house for a party. Friendly greeting, she announces herself with a cheerful, "Hello everyone, I'm here." Rude gesture, a guest walks in, slams the door shut, and sits down without looking at anyone. The lesson, entering with a hello brings light to the room. Lesson 14, winning and losing. A board game ends. Friendly greeting, Leo shakes the winner's hand and says, "Good game, you played well." Rude gesture, the loser throws the game pieces and stomps their feet. The lesson, a handshake, shows you are a good sport. Stomping is a sore loser gesture. Lesson 15, the final wave goodbye. The sun is setting and the day is over. Friendly greeting, Mia waves until her friends are out of sight, blowing a friendly kiss to her parents. Rude gesture, a child turns their back abruptly and ignores their friends as they leave. The lesson, a final wave leaves a happy memory for everyone. Leo, wow, Mia, look how much brighter the town is when we use friendly greetings. Mia, you're right. Leo, when we use our hands, our faces, and our words for kindness, everyone feels happy. Leo, remember, friends, manners are a choice. Every morning, choose to be magic. Leo, bye-bye for now. See you in the next story. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Manner Magic Kids.